Welcome y'all to Wash Rat Academy. At Wash Rat Academy, we teach you everything you need to know about running your own pressure washing business. From picking out your equipment and chemicals, to operating your machinery, to marketing your business for success. When you graduate from Wash Rat Academy, you get yourself an official certificate that lets people know just how serious you are about power washing. And each one's made by hand. Listen to this success story from one of our alumni.
I watch those Wash Rat Academy videos, but
Another satisfied student. We teach you how to do things the way the real pros do it. And then once your pump gets empty, that head's gonna get hot. And that's a perfect time at lunch to cook up some potted meat. Look at that right there. We teach you how to handle and care for all your equipment properly. Our certification process is known for being as challenging as some of the most well-known pressure washing schools in the world. What's your name?
Stuart.
What's that?
Pressure washer.
Certified.
Don't be a wash rat. Learn power washing from the real pros at PowerWash.com and PowerWash University.